Thanks to Korean music and movies, people around the world are enthusiastic about Korea. Therefore, I would like to help those who are interested in Korea resolve their curiosity a little bit. Korea is surrounded by the sea on three sides and has a beautiful natural environment and numerous cultural heritages. Since today is the first day, let's take a brief look at Korean history. Unfortunately, however, Korea became a divided country after independence from Japan, and is now the only divided country in the world. Nevertheless, Korea is always heading for a new and healthy tomorrow.